These are AirPods Pro. You've probably seen this before. They are all over the place and for good reason. Yo, what's good YouTube? My name is Trey, helping you make better purchase decisions when it comes to tech. If that's something that you're into, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And now, let's figure out if AirPods Pro are worth your money in 2021. Let's talk AirPods. When it comes to the build quality and the design, you get them in a small compact case that fits everywhere. There's some weight to it, so it'll handle a fall or two, but it's not something you want to be dropping all over the place. When it comes to the earbuds are made out of plastic and they are actually smaller than the Generation 1 AirPods. Again, they'll handle a fall or two, but it's not something you want to be dropping all over the place, because if you want to replace something, it's gonna cost some money. Now, something that I really like about the AirPods in general is just how easy and seamless the connectivity is. On the AirPods Pro, due to that H1 chip, it's super easy to connect it to your Apple devices. Literally take them out of the box, put them right next to your phone, and boom, it's that easy. Once you do that, you're pretty much ready to use your AirPods. Now, we know this is by far the hypest thing about the AirPods Pro, and is transparency mode and noise cancellation. And to be honest, I was pretty surprised with the noise cancellation, not even gonna lie to you. I went to the gym, turned my noise cancellation on, and I was able to blog that loud music that you can hear in the gym. It was gone. Conversations that were happening around me, they were gone. I was surprised. I didn't know it was this good, but Apple did a really good job when it comes to the noise cancellation though. That noise cancellation is just something really good to have, especially if you travel a lot, or man, if you're fighting with your girlfriend and you don't want to hear whatever she's talking to you, just turn that noise cancellation on and you'll be all set. Use it at your own cost though. Now, when it comes to transparency mode, I think it's overhyped a little bit, and it might be just me. Let me know down in the comments how you feel, but if I'm walking around and my music is loud, I do struggle a little bit to understand whatever a person's trying to tell me or whatever is happening around me. If I have the volume down, yeah, I can hear everything just fine, but if your music is up, just keep in mind that you might struggle a little bit to hear what's happening. But then other than that, it's cool. It's a cool feature to have, and I think it was a really good idea that Apple implemented that on the AirPods Pro, but make sure your volume's down a little bit. I almost forgot to talk about this too, and something new that they added was this spatial audio or theater mode or surround sound, whichever way you want to call it. I haven't tried it. I gotta get back to you guys on that, but if you tried it, let me know down in the comments how you feel. I'm excited to try it with movies and see what it's like. When it came to Body Life, I was a little bit disappointed. You do get around 5 hours to listening time, and if you run out, you can put them back in the case for 5 minutes and you get an hour back. But I feel like Apple's losing a little bit, because you do get other true wireless earbuds out there that are also noise cancellation who offer more battery life, like the Sony XM4 or the Samsung Buds Live, who offer a lot more battery life and are also noise cancellation. But hopefully in the future, with future AirPods, we get more battery life. Another quick thing that I want to throw out there is that the AirPods Pro do support wireless charging. So if you have a wireless charger on your house, you can use that. If you have MagSafe, you can use that as well. You can save some money, because if you don't have the Type-C fast 20-watt charger, then you're gonna have to get that separately, and that's gonna be like 20 bucks. So just something to keep in mind. And if you wanna get the AirPods Pro, I wanna say this is the best time to get them. I seen them as low as $190, $187. I will leave links in the description, Amazon and eBay links. And if you want to check out some of the stores like Best Buy or Target, they usually have them for a lower price. They are usually running deals, so if you want to go and check them out, feel free to do so, because if you go to the Apple store, they're gonna charge you $250 plus tax. Okay, final thoughts. If you have an iPhone and you're looking for true wireless earbuds, I honestly think AirPods Pro will give you the best experience. The ease of use and the convenience is why so many people like them. Plus, it's packed with features, and you get that noise cancellation that a lot of people like. So if you're looking for something that's super comfortable, has noise cancellation, and it's gonna work really well with your other Apple devices, then I wanna say, yeah, AirPods Pro are worth it. If you don't wanna spend a lot of money and you're not in need of all those features, then you still got your Generation 1 AirPods and a lot more true wireless earbuds in the market. That's all I have for you. That's all I can tell you. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in another video. Peace out.